Happy morning to my little students. Yes, so I hope you all are very excited, looking forward for your next video lesson. So let's go for the next video lesson. Yes, what do I have over here for you? There are two rooms full of toys. Now look carefully and tell me which room you like. The first room also has so many toys. Here, there, everywhere there is toys. You can see them around, yes? And what about the next room over here? Yes, there are toys in this room. Also, there are many books also in this room. But there is a bit difference in both the rooms. In the first room, if you want to play with your friend, will you be able to find your favorite teddy bear over there? Or your Pokemon over there? Yes, you have to search to find them. You have to go under the table. You have to climb the cupboard to find where your favorite toy is. So when your friend comes to play with you, you cannot start playing immediately because you have to search for your doll, for your Pokemon. But if you keep your toys properly in their proper places, after playing, if you keep them properly, if you keep your books in the shelf properly, and if your friend comes to play with you, will you be able to find your toys easily? Yes or no? Yes, because they are kept so nicely, they have arranged so well. So the minute your friend comes, come on, let's play with this monkey, with this teddy bear, and you will be able to find your toys easily. So today in our English, we are going to learn. Let's find out. Why? We will read the story. We have already read the story in the previous video. Now, we will be seeing the video, and from today children, I'll be teaching you English. Miss Annie Pariyat. So, let's watch the video. Let's now see the video and enjoy watching this video and understand the lesson. So let's begin. So here, just a minute students, yes, Anita. So what Anita is saying? Anita is saying, I am Anita. And what Ravi replies? Ravi says, I am Ravi. Okay, so Anita, I am Anita, and Ravi says, I am Ravi. Let's listen to their conversation.
Anita, what is this? Ravi, it is a ball.
So, what did Anita ask Ravi? What is this? There is only one ball. So, she asked, what is this? When there is only one thing, you will use the word is. So, if you have to ask about the shirt, what will be your question? What is this you are wearing? Understood? So, here there is one ball and she asked him, what is this? And what did Ravi reply? It is a ball. Just one ball. So, it is a ball.
Anita, let's play. Dev, what are these?
Okay, so did you hear what Dev asked? Now these are two different children, Dev and Rima. Now you will see, there was only one ball, but how many kites? 1, 2, more than one. So what did Dev ask? Dev asked, what are these? T-H-E-S-E. And Anita, what is this? Because it was only one ball. So you ask, is this? What is this? But when it is more than one, you have to ask this way. What are these? T-H-E-S-E. These. So what are these? So let's hear again the conversation.
Dev, what are these? Rima, they are kites. I love kites.
So her reply was, these are kites. Or you can even say, they are kites. And who loves kites? Who loves kite? Yes, Rima. How you know Rima loves kite? Because she says, no, I love kites. Okay? So now let's see what's next. Okay, children. So next one.
Dev, happily. Let's fly there. Rita, where is my doll? Is it on my bed?
Now they are looking for doll. How many doll? Just one. So what did she ask? Where is my doll? Where is my doll? Is it on the bed? Is the doll on the bed? Can you see the doll on the bed? No. So what she has to reply? No, it is not on the bed.
Seema, no it isn't. Rita, is it in the dollhouse? Seema, no it isn't. Rita, smiling, look, there it is. It is on the chair.
So, they looked on the bed. Is it on the bed? No, it isn't. Is it in the doll house? Is it in the doll house? No, it isn't. Then did she see the doll? Yes, she found the doll. You can see the smile on her face. Why she is smiling? Because she found her doll. So she is smiling and she says, look, there it is. There is only one doll. So there it is. It is on the chair. So what they were searching? They were not finding their doll. And why they wanted the doll? What did they do after finding the doll? Did they keep it in the right place? Or did they start playing with the toy, with the doll? So, look here. What did they say? Look, there it is. It is on the chair.
Seema, let's play.
So, what did they do? They played. They went out to play with the doll. So, now you have understood the video lesson very well. Let's do some worksheet. So, students, you have understood the lesson. We have done the reading in the previous video. We understood the lesson through the video. Now here, there is a small note that you have to do. What you will do? You will copy this note in your English notebook. But before that, let me explain it to you. Okay, so I have already given the instruction. Kindly copy the given notes in your English notebook. And you will be writing notes, lesson 5, let's find out. So now, let's think and answer. You will all think and answer. We got brain power. Yes, we all have brain power. So, we will use our brain, think and then give the answer. First question, how do we know? How do we know? Rima loves kites. आपको कैसे पता चला रीमा को kites पसंद है? Write the sentence that tells this. Okay. So, which sentence did she say? Remember, you have seen the video. Did she say she loves kite? Do you remember it? Yes. So, how will you write? You will start from the question. You will look at the question and you will start. We know that Reema loves kite because, so you will copy from the question. We know that Reema loves kites because she says, उसने बोला था ना, she says, and you will put it in inverted comma because वो उसका dialogue है. That is something she said. So you will put it in quotes. You put that 2 quotes and you will write, what did she say? She said, I love kites. So you will write it. She says, I love kites. Okay? So this is how you have to write the answer. I'll repeat again. From the question you will start. We know that Reema loves kites because she says, I love kites, and you will put a full stop. Okay? Next one. Again you have to think and answer. Tick the correct sentence about Rita. You have to tick the right one about Rita. She keeps her doll in its place. Did she find the doll? Was it in the correct place? Was it kept in the doll house properly? No, the doll was not in the doll house. She was searching. Bed? No. Doll house? No. Then she found it. So, she keeps her doll in its place? No, she does not. So, what is the right one? She likes to play with her doll. She likes to play with her doll. Okay. But does not keep it in the place. She does not keep it in its place. Doll कहाँ रखना है? Doll house में. But she loves to play. But she does not keep it in its place. Okay, it is right. But let me check the last one also. हम टिक करने से पहले लास्ट ऑप्शन भी पढ़ के देखेंगे. She does not like her doll. She does not like doll. Is it true? उसको तो पसंद है. Okay, but keeps it in the place. She is keeping the doll in the proper place? No. So, I will put tick for the B option, tick. That is right. Okay, that is how you will do it. Next, last one. Why do you think Rita and Seema look for the doll? Why the two friends, Rita and Seema, were looking for the doll? Is it on the bed? No. Is it in the doll house? Why they were looking for the doll? Yes, what did they do when they find it? Why they were looking? Yes, you have to start from the question. Rita and Seema look for the doll because they want to play with it. Because they want to play with it. You heard the last dialogue? What was the last dialogue? Let's play. तो उनको खेलना था doll से. So you will write because they want to play with it. Okay children? So remember, next time you will keep your books and your doll, your toys in the right place. So when your friends come, you can find it and you can play with them. Happy learning students. God bless you all.